Am I the only one that didn't know how powerful our mindset can be? Let's change that today. First, let's talk about the power of a growth mindset. It's all about believing that you can improve through effort and learning. Remember, every pro was once a beginner. Next, set realistic goals. Break that big dream into smaller, manageable steps. Suddenly, the impossible seems possible. Obstacles, they're just stepping stones. When you face a challenge, think of it as a learning experience. Each hurdle you overcome brings you closer to your goal. Need some inspiration? Think of Elon Musk with SpaceX, Oprah overcoming her tough childhood, or J.K. Rowling's journey with Harry Potter. They all turned the impossible into possible. Finally, let's get practical. Visualize success. Take action, start small and build momentum, stay persistent and seek support from positive influences. And hey, celebrate those milestones. Remember, the only limits we have are the ones we set for ourselves. Believe in the impossible. Take that first step and watch your dreams unfold.